Welcome to the workshop, Active Learning, Case Studies, Problem-Based Learning, Project-Based Learning, and Cooperative Learning. We are thrilled to have you join us for this practical and dynamic workshop designed to transform your teaching methodologies. This course is tailored for educators who are passionate about enhancing student engagement and fostering active, student-centered learning environments. Throughout this course workshop, you will delve into 4 key instructional methodologies: case studies, problem-based learning, project-based learning, cooperative learning. You will explore the similarities and differences between these models, gaining a comprehensive understanding of each approach. Our focus will be on designing social learning experiences that you can implement in real-world educational settings. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills required to create meaningful learning experiences that promote critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, and problem-solving among your students. We look forward to embarking on this journey with you and seeing the innovative ways you will apply these methodologies in your teaching practice. Welcome aboard, and let's make learning an active and engaging adventure.